this goblet cells of the alimentary canal are modified from? Option A, chondrocytes. Now it is incorrect because chondrocytes are cells found in cartilage and not in the lining of the alimentary canal. Option B, compound epithelial cells. This is also incorrect as compound epithelial cells refers to layers of cells that make up the complex epithelium. For example, stratified epithelium. But goblet cells are not derived from this. Option C, squamous epithelial cells. This is also incorrect because squamous epithelial cells are flat cells found in tissues such as skin, then lining of certain organs, but they do not give rise to goblet cells. Option D, columnar epithelial cells. Now, goblet cells are indeed modified columnar epithelial cells found in the lining of the alimentary canal, and their main function is the secretion of the mucus, which helps in lubricating and protecting the lining of the digestive tract. Hence, this is the correct option.